With every new day, she discovers who she is, what catches her and makes her smile. She doesn't mind what other people might think. She's open to the wonders of the world and where they can lead. She knows each moment contains multitudes, and that she does too. She lets all her sides come out to play. She hears a song and captures it. She's attracted to interesting noses and crooked smiles. She dances on a whim in her favourite boots. Her future self calls to her. Live everything. Live all of you. For in the end, freedom is knowing you're okay, just as you are.